studio. I am Princess Bella, and today we have the biggest Disney fashion event of the year. Ariel, Rapunzel, Elsa, and Cinderella are all going to a grand best friends ball tonight. They want to surprise everyone by wearing the exact same magical tiered rainbow gown. Can we use our magic coloring skills to design this beautiful dress and unlock all the real-life princess dolls together? Give me a big high five through the screen if you love matching outfits with your best friends. Let's start sketching!
From royal hairstyles to a carriage.
Drawing. Coloring. Pink. Lilac. Yellow. Lilac. White. Sparkle. Our fashion drawing is completely painted, but it needs a huge blast of royal star glitter to transform into reality. Help me cast the magic spell, girls. Rub your hands together, count to 3, and blow some stardust to the screen. 1, 2, 3. Blows. Wow, look at that. Hundreds of beautiful white stars and crystals are glittering all over the gown, the shoe, and the bag. The transformation is ready. Transformation. Oh my goodness, look at them. The real princess dolls are here, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Ariel, Rapunzel, Elsa, Cinderella, and their besties are all wearing the exact same sparkly tiered gown we just painted. Look at their beautiful crowns, their matching pink gloves, and their cute little purses. They look like a real pop star group ready to rule the runway. Friendship goals are the best. The Best Friends Ball is going to be a total fashion success. Besties, thank you for being the most amazing royal designers today. Now, I need your important vote. Which princess looked the most beautiful in this matching tiered dress? Ariel, vote El Cinderella. Leave your comment below and I will give it a big shiny heart. Don't leave our fashion studio just yet. Click on the next video right now to discover more magical princess dress-up stories. See you there. Bye-bye.